Get ready to live your best student life in Melbourne with D1 student accommodation. Nestled in the heart of Bouverie Street, Student Living D1 offers a selection of stunningly designed studios to choose from. Each room is air-conditioned and comes fully furnished with a cozy bed, wardrobe, study station, ensuite bathroom, and its own kitchenette and TV, making it the perfect study and play oasis. Need a break from studying? Check out the massive lounge area with a giant TV screen, or challenge your mates to the 24-hour games area. You can even grab some snacks from the vending machines to keep your energy up. With additional perks like bike storage, laundry facilities, high-speed Wi-Fi, and printing services, everything you need is right at your fingertips. With both University of Melbourne and RMIT University, just a short 13 minutes walk away, getting to class is a breeze too. And if you want to explore the rest of the city, public transport is easily accessible with the nearest tram station just around the corner. With Student Living D1, you'll be at the heart of the action, surrounded by trendy neighborhoods and a buzzing nightlife that will keep you on your toes. So pack your bags and get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime at Student Living D1. Head over at amberstudent.com to book your room today.